Hi guys, this is Imran Hassan again. This is chapter number 2 Economics CFA level 1 Consumer Theory. Utility theory. Utility is measure of preferences over some set of goods including services. Actually, whenever we talk about goods, it means goods and services. Actually, these are commodities. Okay, sometimes that satisfied the human wants. It represents satisfaction experienced by the consumer of a good. When we consume anything, it means we are getting some utility from it. The satisfaction which we are getting, that satisfaction is called utility. Consumer theory from preferences to demand function. Consumer choice theory branch of microeconomics that relate preferences to consumption expenditures and to consumer demand curve. It addresses consumer taste and preferences. It means when we are preferring one basket of goods over other, that means we seem that this special product has some higher utility than any other product. A budget constraint. It represents all the combinations of goods and services that a consumer may purchase given current prices within his given income. Actually, we don't have enough resources to buy everything we want. We have an income constraint, an income limited income or limited budget, so that is called budget constraint or income constraint. It means whatever the combinations of and two products, actually we assume two products, we can assume. Okay, sorry. So this is our limitation, this is our budget, this is our something which we can afford, the limitations in which we are bound to live. Utility function. Utility is a function of many things. Whatever we have in our daily life. For example, we have food, we have clothes, we have shelter, we have car. So utility is a function of all these things. So whatever we are getting from these things are hypothetically called utils. So utility is a function of q of x1 one commodity, q of x2 second commodity, and so on, and whatever the last quantity we are consuming. So q of xi is the quantity of good or service, I is the bundle. Indifference curve. Indifference curve is somehow a little latest from utility theory. It is actually ordinal theory. It means we cannot measure the utility in terms of utils, but we can rank different basket of goods. So an indifference curve is a graph representation of possible indifference curves for each level of utility. We have some certain level of utility, and whenever we change the one commodity to other commodity, it means we are consuming different basket of goods. We are at the same level of satisfaction level. For example, we are using one banana and 10 ice creams, or another basket could be two bananas and 7 ice creams, and there can be a lot of different combinations which gives us some satisfaction, a certain specific satisfaction level. Budget constraints, as we have seen it before. Production opportunity frontier, a curve depicting all maximum outputs possible for two goods. It means we are having a number of possible outcomes from some certain inputs. So what are the maximum combinations of two goods we can achieve by our given resources? That is those points all together in graphical form are called production opportunity frontier. sorry, the investment opportunity set of all investment that a person or company is able to make at given time. So this is simple, just like production opportunity. Investment opportunity means the opportunities which we are having in front of us in case of if we are an investor. Normal versus inferior goods. Normal goods are those goods consumer buys more if with increase in income. Whenever we have a boost in our income, we are going to buy more goods. Those goods are normal goods. Inferior goods are goods which a consumer buys less with increase in income. As our income boosts or increases, we are going to buy less. For example, we don't want to travel in local bus, but we are having lower income, so we have to travel in order to go to our job or to reach our school, college, whatever we are at. So if our income increases, we are going to buy a bike, a car, or anything else. Income effect. As income increases, the consumer has larger budget, and therefore the optimal bundle changes, resulting in higher proportion of the normal goods and lower proportion of the inferior goods. So it has positive effect on normal goods, but negative effect on inferior goods. Substitution effect. Substitution effects are movement along an indifference curve. When we are substituting one bundle of indifference curve to other combination, so we are moving along the indifference curve. Substitution with income effects. If one of the price changes, the budget line changes slope, and the new bundle of good is along the same indifference curve but a different bundle tangent to new line. Let's see. Change in real income without price change. We are having parallel shift in the budget line. We are moving from one line to other line. Change in real income from price change. When we are having change in price, we are getting a change in slope of the budget line. Substitution effect. Substitution without any change in real income, so movement along the indifference curve. Let's see. We were having certain amount of income, so this is our budget constraint. This is normal good, okay, and this is inferior good. First of all, we have to see what these two lines shows us. This is our budget constraint over original budget. So when the income increases, we have an upward shift in budget constraint. So we are at higher IC indifference curve than before, so we move upward. But as we have normal goods here and inferior goods here, so we move from here to in this direction. So let's say we are at here. We don't have points, okay. Let me explain this. So we are moving from here to here. As you see, we are having more consumptions towards the normal goods, but we decrease the consumption level of inferior goods as income increases. Income effect. When income rises, the demand for normal good increases. When income rises, the demand for inferior good falls. As you can see it from here, the inferior goods demand is decreasing, but we are consuming more of normal goods. Breakdown income and substitution effects. A change in price of the good will result in change in the real income of the consumer. The change in demand from this change is the substitution effect. This is our original budget line. Price is decreased of A. So we are moving from here to here. Price of this product, whatever it is not going to change, so we have a same point at here. We are moving from B to C when we are having a change in price. But if there is no change in income, so we can move just backward, just same parallel to this line on the original indifference curve. So we have our same satisfaction level at as on B, so we move from C to A. So actually what happened, we are moving from B to A, the net effect. So this is our substitution effect and this is our income effect. I hope you will understand. From B to C is income effect, and C to backward movement from C to A, that is because of substitution. So this is our B to A net effect is substitution effect. Special case of demand given goods, it is the special type of highly inferior goods for which the income effect outweighs the substitution effect. It means as the price increases, our income increases, we are going to buy a minimal amount of these goods. These are called highly inferior or given goods. Conclusion and summary. We have studied. Okay, thank you for watching. Hit like and comment. Any feedback is highly appreciated. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for my videos. Thank you.